had a vague feeling that I was gonna get sniped out of the air. I was lucky I was wrong. Just gonna go up.
Alright, lads, let's get it done. Supply box marked. Secure the package.
Awesome. All the way over there. Not annoying at all.
Gross. Only DM or sniper rifles. I don't like.
Yeah, I've been saying the ground loot has felt pretty abysmal lately.
New objective
Lately.
identified.
Jeez, where's it
Like
trying to send me
lightning
here?
guns.
Hi. We want you to fuck off from all the other players as far as possible. Thank you for your compliance.
Helicopter.
Enemy helo!
Where's that fucker going?
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Really? All the way up there. Got it, one?
Yeah, if I don't die.
Don't die.
I mean, I guess if I die, I can always drop on it and grab it, so we all get it.
Yeah, we're trying to get a loadout, though.
Well, yeah, but that doesn't mean there couldn't be guys on the roof. Say I'm willing to die, drop on it again, and try and open the box.
Yeah, but if you die, then you lose $4,500.
Back.
Primary
Not if I
objective
win the
accomplished.
gulag.
Perfect.
Oh, there's no gulag right now, huh?
Correct.
Negative.
Yep.
Well, we can go firehouse.
Supply box ready for pickup.
Oh, you want me to go all the way back? Okay. We're gonna do another one.
Yeah, money. Money, money, money.
Bad guys are too. Oh, bad guy. Bad guy. I only have a pistol.
How do you only have a pistol still?
Well, it was the only
Move
thing
to the
out.
next location.
I'm running. Run back to you guys. He ran. Oh.
Okay.
Ah,
Where is he?
they all look the same. He ran down the hallway that way. Mine went up in the building.
Probably looking for height advantage.
Gas is moving.
Fall back and get a work.
Well, we have plenty of money. We can go get a loadout. Oh,
Yeah, that's what I mean.
they're over there.
Mover.
They ran across to the red
It's
building.
just he was running out, and I was trying to run as fast as possible, so I had my pistol.
All right, I'll buy a loadout.
Behind you.
Thank you. These guys are definitely gonna push, so be fast. Could head towards our thing there.
Avenger?
Yeah.
Gotta watch out
Enemy
behind
UAV
us.
overhead.
Get recon on my location.
There we go.
UAV entering the AO.
Destination marked.
The only one that's lighting up is orange.
Get two in Clarksville.
Copy. Yeah, there are 3 over in Clarksville. No eyes on orange. Oh, he's over here now.
Destination marked.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply. Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Tons of stuff here.
UAV overhead.
Finally.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
Sometimes it's all about the stairs.
You evaded the enemy trackers. Good work.
Oh, team right here.
Move on.
He just parachuted back.
Gotcha.
Team wipe.
Crack, dead. Okay.
Are you stealing my kills again?
I think the opposite just happened there.
Alright, we got train.
Okay, maybe not. I saw him, but I got no shot.
Oh, and he's being shot at. Inside bank.
Get up there.
Moving.
Where everybody starts moving this.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
I'm gonna grab this
You guys ready
bounty.
to reposition?
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Vendor marked.
Yeah, I like the idea of getting up towards park.
Before all the nasties come.
Yep.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
A lot of gunfire.
Moving, Robinson.
Copy.
I know before the update you could climb the radio tower and then fly across.
I got my eyes on here.
Oh, to our right, Robinson.
Affirmative. Guard left.
Moving on enemy.
Oh, I was trying to.
Where is he? Where is he?
Second
one.
crane.
Enemies
Seen.
in the area.
Oh shit. To our left too.
Gas is inbound.
Assaulting target. Assaulting target.
Down.
Move your asses. Get into the safe zone.
Alright. We have 2 full teams on the opposite end of port.
Right there.
Enemy UAV overhead.
It's on the backside of the crane.
Steen.
Guys across.
What do you guys want to do? Want to hold right here?
Gotta get across. Let me see if I get him to shoot at me.
Teammate coming in.
Broke him.
On crane again.
Moving.
Someone's fighting him over there.
Yep. Oh, behind us, behind us, behind us.
Assaulting target. You are mine. Assaulting target.
Gotcha. Crack.
Team wipe.
Good stuff. Gas is coming. We don't have much of a choice.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Oh, I'm getting shot at. I'm taking cover.
Downed him.
Nice stuff. I'm out of plates.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Taking hits.
Our left. Being shot at.
Yep.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Here's a few extras.
Go get that
Thank
door.
you. Lovely. I wanna. Oh, right side on the buy station. He's got an angle on us as well. Be ready.
We have to cross, and 2 teams are just laser marked on us.
He just rezzed.
Brought his buddy back.
Yep, I don't love it, but I'm going for it. Buddy came back in, left side of him over there. I'm gonna get close and cuddly for some engagement time.
25 remaining.
Dropping plate box free.
Looked at from behind,
Body armor here.
on our fat left over here somewhere. That should have hit.
Damn.
Nice kill.
All right, I'm crossing. I'm crossing.
Over here.
I needed his.
Safe zone.
He had one plate, damn it. Coming to the plate box for plates.
Oh shit, we gotta move.
Yeah. Just watch our left.
I think there's a trench somewhere we can take to the prison.
That way, I think I saw feet. Gonna be camping loadout. Yep, there's the buyback. I'm pushing him.
Gas is
with you.
inbound.
Good silence.
Marking new safe zone.
Oh, he fucking killed me with a shotgun.
Follow my lead.
One, I live pinged one. He's broken.
Plating.
One of them got their teammate up. Ah, just track that bitch through that wall.
Yep.
Ah ha ha ha.
Shit, I'm out of ammo.
What do you need?
AR.
Gas moving in.
There's a dead body right here.
Lethal's here.
Crap.
Shit, sniper.
We're not all here. Regroup in a safe zone.
Taking hits.
Damn it. Like, get down.
Trying to find him.
Sustaining fire here.
Back in the way.
Airstrike, you are clear to engage.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Striker.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Impact, no joy.
Oh, you're nuts.
Robinson, there's guys over here.
I'm aware. Got snipers to our left.
Dropping into the
Reloading.
Ground.
I knocked one in the gas.
Get to the safe zone.
Less than 10
Killed
enemies remain.
Good.
I think they're in this building.
You're alright. Oh, there's one inside this building on
I
us.
am good to go.
Oh! He was hiding in the corner.
More targets
Oh, man.
Failure's the proper teacher.
Oh, that was good. Oh. So close.
Want to see if Miller's on?
Yeah, we will. Darn it.
You guys should have got on the roof with me.
GG's, GG's.
GG's, man.
That was good.
Jeez, man.
I was
That was a
gonna
good
sneak up. I was working so hard at crawling.
Damn, Amelia dropped 17 kills, dude.
Good job, guys.
777, dude.
Woo!